Hi, I'm Brock from Garmin's Product Support. Today, I'm going to help you change the battery on your Garmin CT10 golf sensor. Now this is a pretty simple process, but we do want to make sure it is attached to the golf club while going through this. That'll just allow you to get better grip on the sensor itself. Go ahead, grab the sensor with one hand. You can wear a golf glove if it does make it easier for you. Begin by gripping the white part of the sensor, and then take your other hand and twist the black cap. You should notice you'll twist it and it should come off there fairly simply. Now there's two important things to know with the battery. We're using a CR2032 battery. Those are found at most retail stores. And the other important thing to note is when you replace this battery that the plus icon is facing up. So when we grab our new battery here, we'll go ahead and insert that. The plus icon needs to be facing up. Then reattach the battery itself. Attach the black part, twist until you feel a slight click, or you can't twist any further there. And that's it. For more help, go to support.garmin.com, and thanks for watching.